Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 67 Le Mans today, cruising along a little over 60 miles an hour. We got about a 20 mile an hour west-northwest wind. Most cars of this age, you'd have so much wind noise inside here, but this thing is so nice and tight, you hardly got any wind noise at all. I mean, I don't have a document on the miles, but there's no question this is a 45,000 mile car. Everything just is, I mean, the windows don't leak, the doors shut so nice, the inside of the doors are nice, everything, boy, it's just a heck of a car. Everything works on it except for the clock, which I don't know if they worked very long when they were new. According to the previous owner, I think the previous owner bought it from the original owner and then freshened up the motor and the tranny. So drivetrain's been done. I have no receipts for it, but just it's what I was told. So. But boy, what a nice driving car! It runs down the road super. Probably not a lot of cars left like this that have got some history behind them and are still original. Like I said in my running video, most of these Le Manses have been GTO cloned and everything else, where it's just kind of nice to see one still the way she was. So we'll turn around here. It's got power steering, power brakes. Brakes work good. Excuse me. Power steering works nice, and then we'll just run it through the shift on the transmission. Just power glide in it. So 605-695-7391.